Soldiers, it's time to man up and let them Muslims know what FAFO stands for. And I'm so proud of you boys. God, I'd love to be over there with you. I want to touch that wall. I've only seen it on the television, but I want to touch it. I want to caress it. I want to be near it. I want to be in the same spot that Donald Trump was in when he touched it. Y'all are over there doing something I only dreamed of, fighting for another country. Because they've blackmailed our government officials. It's a dream I had ever since I was a little boy. I was running around in my pea shooter, in my Levi husky dungarees they had for a thick boy like me. I tried to join the army, but they wouldn't take me. They said I was too badass. They said I was liable to end up getting people killed on our side because of how crazy I was. They said that boy can't ever follow protocol. He follows his heart. And that's what I got. I've always had a big heart. And my heart goes out to every single one of y'all over there doing this country and President Netanyahu proud. My heart goes out to